Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting your workspace. Open Chrome and load Only Way Now. Make sure you have headphones and safe volume. This reduces latency and feedback. Select a tempo and key. Pick a BPM that matches the mood, and decide major versus minor so harmonies fit. Once done, run a quick test phrase to confirm timing and sound. This first pass establishes the palette you will refine as you build the finale. You layer parts one at a time. Start with the main melody, record clean 4 to 8 bar phrases so you can loop them precisely. Once done, overdub harmony or a counter melody on a new pass to enrich the texture. Make deliberate dynamic choices, add crescendos, strong accents, or half-note holds to create movement. If timing shifts, punch in smaller sections and align loops. These middle steps shape tension before the final release. You now finalize the finale. Balance levels and pan parts for clarity, then trim tails so transitions are clean. Make a final listen and export the mix using your chosen format and descriptive file name. If you hear clicks, timing drift, or missing notes, first re-record the offending pass. If problems persist, clear browser cache and reload Only Way. This often fixes audio glitches. Finally, compare the exported file to the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.